Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back. Thanks so much for coming back. So here is a simple DIY coffee shampoo recipe that you can use to wash your hair and stimulate growth. So you like to start by dissolving African black soap in water. You can just place it in a container or chop the black soap into tiny pieces, put in a container, add water to it and set that aside to dissolve. Okay, so I actually added more than enough water and I had to reduce it. After that, the next thing you want to do is to add a tablespoon of flaxseed, or if you don't want to use flaxseed or you don't have, you can always use fenugreek. These are two options that you can use. So you add a tablespoon of flaxseed into a pot, add some water and bring that to a boil. Okay, let that boil for about 5 minutes. Then you go ahead and add the next ingredient, which is the major ingredient, of course. Add a coffee powder to the flaxseed, to the boiling flaxseed. So to this quantity I added 2 tablespoons of coffee, and you can make use of any coffee as long as it has caffeine, because caffeine is the main ingredient that act in stimulating hair growth. I'm not saying this because I heard that. I'm actually saying this because I know it works, and I have done a test on this and the video is on this channel. I'm going to leave that as an end screen. So leave this to simmer for about 2 minutes. So if you boil the flaxseed for 5 minutes, then you add the coffee and let that simmer for 2 minutes. Turn down the heat and strain everything. So flaxseed is acting as our thickener, okay? Given the fact that it has sleep plus other benefits, it's perfect for a shampoo recipe. In case where you don't have flaxseed, you can use fenugreek like I said, and if you don't also have fenugreek, you can always use aloe vera. In this case, you don't have to boil the aloe vera. You can just brew your coffee in a little amount of water, then add the aloe vera gel to it, and then add other ingredients as we'll be doing now. Next, I'm adding a tablespoon of palm kernel oil. This is black palm kernel oil, and of course you can add any oil to your shampoo. Then the next thing we'll add is our black soap, our dissolved black soap. If you want the best result with this black soap, you can dissolve your black soap overnight. I left this just for a few hours, and this shampoo did not lather very well, so I had to go in with a tablespoon of my regular shampoo. And this is another option, okay? So if you don't have African black soap, when it's time to add your foaming agent, you can just go in with your regular shampoo. Maybe add a tablespoon or 2 of it to the coffee shampoo. Mix everything very well, then add our last ingredient, which is actually optional: apple cider vinegar. I like to add apple cider vinegar to my DIY shampoos because it helps in clarifying the hair. So if you have it, then add it, but if you don't have, that's okay. After adding the apple cider vinegar, mix everything well, then transfer the shampoo into a bottle, a container that will facilitate usage in the shower. Okay. Alright guys, please remember to use coffee that has caffeine in it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and also please remember to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. And I will see you in another video. Bye.